Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Making Money with Python, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Python is not just a powerful programming language, it's also a lucrative skill. With its versatility and widespread adoption, Python offers numerous opportunities to earn money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there are various avenues to explore for generating income using Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore several ways you can make money with Python, along with code examples to get you started. Freelancing. Developing software products. Teaching and training. Consulting and coaching. Contributing to open source. Conclusion. Python offers abundant opportunities for making money, whether through freelancing, developing software products, teaching, consulting, or contributing to open source. By leveraging your Python skills and exploring these avenues, you can turn your passion for programming into a rewarding source of income. Remember to continuously improve your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and network with fellow developers to maximize your earning potential. Happy coding! ChatGPT